Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can pin your favorite song to your Facebook profile. So if you got a favorite song and you want to add it to your profile, this is how you're going to do it. First, open the Facebook apps on your phone and then add to your profile. So hit on your photo at the top right corner. Then click on your names in here to go to your profile, and under your profile you can just click on the under the details in here, click on see your about info, and you'll see this. You can just scroll down until you find the music options, this one's right here. So you can just click on see all, and after that here, if you want to add a song, you can just click on the plus. But if you want to just add the one that is on already on the list, you can just click on the three dots icon in here, and there will be this option pin to profile. So let's click on that. Song has been pinned, as you guys can see here. Now you can just go back to your profile, and here it is. The songs will be pinned on your profile, so when your friends or followers see it, they can play the song. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.